Hi, this is Lisa Cato from Crafty Door Creations, and today I thought that I would put together an art kit just so that you can see how I do it. Alright, so first of all, I usually use, now this, I don't use this for my adult art kits because they're bigger, and I could show you that later in another video on how I put together my adult kits. But this, I am putting together some kits, art kits for kids. And this, what I use is I just use like a craft paper bag. And I put the, kind of the little flyer thing, I make it up through Canva. And I put Paint at Home art kit. And I add 4 kids. And I put the price, the price is $20, and then I always have the QR code down there and everything on there. And so what I'll do is I will just open up this bag, and I put in my, the canvas. I'm using an 8x10 canvas for this, and I pre-trace it. I already have it traced. This is called a Summer Heart Sunset. So I'm putting it inside of the bag. Now I always have my little, I have a stamp that I custom made. I got it from Etsy, on the Etsy shop, and I put my stamp on my canvas so that the customers will know who I am. It helps them whenever I, am selling this to them, then they can look at it and they go, oh, yeah, well, I got this from Crafty Door Creations. Yeah, well, I might want to get another one of those. Okay, so what I do is I have the canvas in there, and then I include a foam plate. This is just a regular paper plate that I got at Walmart. And then I have a folded up paper towel. And then these are I got these on Amazon. These are some disposable aprons that are fit kids. Okay, these are for kids. And I put that in there. And then the brushes, I just get these off of Amazon too. This is just a 1-inch flat tip brush. And I got these little skinny detail brushes. And now actually this round brush, I think I got it in a set from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I just take these and I put these down inside of it. Well, wait a minute, excuse me. First of all, let me get together. Also have paints. Can't forget that. So I put the paints in there. And what I use, I really like these because it makes the paint last a long time. Now, I have used those little bitty either condiment cups or the small cups that have the little lid on it. I've used those, and that's okay if, if it's not going to be stored for a while. If the paint kit is going right out there to them and they're going to use it pretty soon, then that would be fine. But these will last a while. These are these little pouches that you can get. I got them from Amazon, and they do hold quite a bit of paint in them. So I will take these and I'll just fill them up with some paint. And I use these little, I bought some, actually they're bottles, but the tips will fit these 2-ounce bottles right here. They'll fit. Sometimes they don't fit real well, but they do good enough. So I put these in just one of these little Ziploc bags, sandwich bags. So that way the paint, if it happened to spill, of course they're sealed up, but if it did have something happen to it, it would not get all over everything. It would just be in this bag. So I take this and I seal it up, and I put it on to the plate and stuff. And then I just take all of this that I've got and I put it inside of this bag. And also, I also include some step-by-step instructions for them. And I'll just take this and I'll just hold it up like so. And I will just put this inside. And I've got everything. I'm just looking to make sure on my bag. Got the pre-traced canvas, 8x10, the acrylic paint, the paint brushes, the apron, the directions, the paper towel, and the foam plate for the palette. So, and that is pretty much it. And now it's ready to go. I'm actually going to be having a showcase, a small business showcase in Gainesville on June 15th. So if you happen to be in Gainesville, you can come to that. All right, so that is pretty much what I do for my kids kit. Now, like I said, I will probably try to do a video about how I do my adult kits. So if you want to see that, I'll be doing one of those. Okay, all right, thank you, bye.